If you could only do 7 exercises for the rest of your life, which ones would give you strength, mobility, balance, endurance and resilience without burning you out? What if I told you that just 7 exercises could keep you strong at 70, pain-free at 80 and independent till the very end? Forget fancy machines, endless programs or chasing the next fitness trend. Your body only speaks one language, movement. And these 7 are your alphabet. Used by athletes, rehab specialists, military trainers, and centenarians alike. These movements aren't just workouts, they're survival skills. They are the foundational movements your body craves. Backed by science, used by elite athletes, and crucial for lifelong fitness. We're talking proper form, variations for all levels, and how to incorporate these movements into your routine. Let's unlock them one by one. We're kicking things off with the king of all exercises, the squat. This movement is as primal as it gets. You were born to squat. As a toddler, you did it perfectly. As an adult, you lost it to chairs, cars, and couches. Think about it. Our ancestors squatted daily. It was how they rested, how they went to the bathroom. It's a fundamental human movement pattern. Every time you sit, stand, climb, lift, you're squatting. But here's the truth. If you can't squat well, you can't age well. And the benefits? Let me tell you, squats hit your entire lower body, quads, hamstrings, glutes, building strength, mobility, and stability. This translates to more power in your everyday life, whether you're lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or just getting up from a chair. But it doesn't stop there. Squats engage your core like no other exercise, building that rock-solid midsection for better posture and injury prevention. And the best part? You can squat anywhere, anytime, with or without weights. Start with bodyweight squats. Master the form. Then level up to goblet squats, barbell back squats, or front squats. The possibilities are endless. So the question is, are you strong enough to do it for life? Next up, we're hitting the deadlift, the king of posterior chain exercises. We're talking glutes, hamstrings, back. All the muscles that keep you upright, strong, and resilient. Deadlifts are your secret weapon against back pain. Building a powerful posterior chain that protects your spine and improves your posture. But here's the thing about deadlifts. They're not just about building a strong back. They build overall strength and power. Think about it. Picking something heavy off the ground is a movement pattern we use every single day. Imagine bending down to pick up a grandchild or heavy suitcase. If your back isn't ready, one wrong move means months of pain. The deadlift teaches your body how to lift safely, efficiently, and powerfully. It's not just a hinge, it's the human reset button. Deadlifts make you stronger for life. Glutes, hamstrings, spinal erectors, grip, everything switches on. Now, we're not just talking about conventional deadlifts here. We've got Romanian deadlifts for hamstring and glute activation, trap bar deadlifts for a more beginner-friendly variation, and even kettlebell deadlifts for a different kind of challenge. Remember, form is key. Start light, master the technique, and progressively increase the weight. Your body will thank you. Most back injuries happen because people don't deadlift, not the other way around. No gym, no problem. Push-ups are the ultimate bodyweight exercise, building upper body and core strength that translates to real-world power. The push-up is strength, mobility, and control, wrapped into one timeless test. And it does more than build your chest or triceps. It teaches you to control your body against gravity. And that's something machines will never give you. Think about it. Pushing is essential for everyday life. Whether you're pushing open a door or pushing a heavy object, a strong upper body is key. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. They're like a full body workout packed into one powerful movement. Ask yourself, if you can't press your body off the floor, how strong are you really? Plus, they're scalable to any fitness level. Too easy? Try incline push-ups. Too hard? Start with knee push-ups. Want to level up? We're talking diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, and for the ultimate challenge, one-arm push-ups. The key here is progression. Start where you are, master the form, and keep pushing your limits. Nail the push-up, and every other push movement gets stronger. Let's talk about the pull-up, the ultimate test of upper body strength, and honestly, a true symbol of fitness. Most people push far more than they pull, and it shows in their posture, rounded shoulders, weak backs, pain. But the pull-up? It's your upper body's anchor. Lats, traps, rhomboids, biceps, and yes, core. Pulling yourself up over a bar is no easy feat, but the benefits are undeniable. Pull-ups work your back, biceps, and forearms, building that coveted V-taper physique. They also improve your grip strength, which is crucial for everyday activities and even athletic performance. And hey, let's not forget the feeling of accomplishment you get from conquering this challenging exercise. Studies show grip strength trained by pull-ups directly correlates with lifespan. So don't just pull yourself up, pull yourself into a longer, stronger life. Can't do a full pull-up yet? No worries. Start with negatives, band-assisted pull-ups, or even rows. Remember, consistency is key. Full range means full gains. No half reps here. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make. The overhead press, a true test of strength, stability, and power. Your shoulders are meant to move overhead, yet most adults lose that ability by age 40. Enter the overhead press. It's more than a strength move, it's a diagnostic. Can you lift something overhead without pain? If not, your mobility and longevity is under threat. This movement restores what sitting stole. This movement targets your shoulders, upper chest, and core, building functional strength that translates to everyday activities and athletic performance. Think about it. Lifting objects overhead is something we do all the time. Whether you're putting away groceries, playing a sport, or simply reaching for something on a high shelf, a strong overhead press is essential. We're talking dumbbell overhead presses for balanced muscle development, barbell overhead presses for maximum strength gains, and even landmine presses for a unique challenge that targets your core and shoulders. Remember, proper form is crucial. Start light, master the technique, and gradually increase the weight to avoid injury. Let's talk about lunges, the king of unilateral exercises. They target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, building strength, balance, and stability in each leg independently. Why is this important? Because life is not always symmetrical. Life isn't lived on 2 feet evenly planted. You step, pivot, twist, stabilize. All one leg at a time. We need to be able to move efficiently and powerfully on one leg at a time. The lunge trains this reality, balance, ankle stability, hip control, knee resilience. Think of lunges as the fine-tuning for your body's suspension system. Miss them, and you're driving with flat tires. Lunges also improve your hip mobility, which is crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining good posture. We're talking walking lunges for dynamic movement, reverse lunges for a greater focus on balance, and even Bulgarian split squats for an advanced challenge that will set your legs on fire. Remember, form is key. Keep your core engaged, your back straight, your front knee in line with your toes, and drive through the front heel like you mean it. Last but not least, we have loaded carries. One of the most underrated yet incredibly effective exercises out there. You were born to carry groceries, kids, tools, stress. But can you carry with control? Loaded carries challenge grip, posture, coordination, mental grit, and your deep core muscles that crunches never touch. Loaded carries are all about building functional strength and endurance. The kind of strength that translates to real-life tasks. Think about carrying groceries, moving furniture, or even just holding your kids. These are all examples of loaded carries in action. This is the real-world workout no one's talking about. They work your grip, core, and postural muscles, improving your overall strength and stability. We're talking farmer's carries for a full body grip and core challenge, suitcase carries for unilateral strength and stability, and even overhead carries for improved shoulder stability and core engagement. Start light and gradually increase the weight or distance as you get stronger. Ask yourself, if you can't carry heavy things without breaking form, what's your training really for? You'll be amazed at how much these simple exercises can improve your overall fitness and make you feel like an absolute tank. In essence, these aren't just exercises, they're primal blueprints. Forget the fluff. These 7 moves are all you need to stay fit for life, whether you're 30 or 70. Master them, load them, and never skip them. They touch every muscle, every joint, every function of a life well lived. And you don't need a gym, just a plan, just persistence. Just these 7. Fitness doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be foundational. And these 7 moves, they build you into someone who lives pain-free, moves without limits, and thrives at every age. So the next time you wonder, what should I train today? Answer with these. Because when life tests your body, these are the answers. Want a lifetime proof weekly workout based on just these? Just say the word. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these exercises you're adding to your routine. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now get out there and start building the strongest, healthiest version of yourself.